Real quick update on MX1. It just brought out some coronavirus related news. The chart looks like the top end is 34 cents. It's pulling back at the moment and I'm looking for an entry of 22.5 cents. So it looks like we got there. About 5 minutes ago we just got there. And they brought out a sneaky little announcement, and that is the market update news. So let's bring that up. It looks like they've got a total sell value of their product for $780,000. And the interesting part here, and because that's not a big order, but the interesting part here is that they've been advised that it's for the delivery of governments of 2 Asian countries that are associated with the government's response to the growing COVID, which is basically coronavirus epidemic. Now, if we have a look at the financials, they're already pulling in $784 for the quarter, and in terms of profit, they're making $665 for the quarter, so they'll be essentially doubling their revenues based on this news alone. Now, the interesting story here, and the story really isn't that just that they're selling product, is that they're selling it to a government. And if they're selling to 2 Asian governments, there's a story here that it could grow to other governments and that there's more orders to come, yada yada yada. That's the story. And there is a capital raising that people need to be aware of, but it was a private placement. This isn't just straight out to the shareholders, it's a private placement. I haven't read everything here because this is really just a quick browse through the fundamentals and seeing what we got here. So 20 cents placement for $16.5 million. These guys have cash in the bank. That was an update from 19th of the 11th last year, so they most certainly still have at least maybe 15 million of that 16 million. So what we have here is a potentially good trade coming. We can see here it's tanked on the 5 minute, it's bouncing down. So my justification for my position here is I had a fib level from the top, 38.2, 22.5 cent entry. So there's that. Let's see how it goes.